third list of candidates for the forthcoming assembly elections, which has been declared by the Congress party today. It is rather unfortunate that in this list, the Congress has gone ahead and declared candidates for Santandre and Kanpon constituencies, which were seats among those that the Goa Forward Party, that we had laid claim for. We are very disappointed. Of course, we know that the Congress is a national party, is the principal party in the alliance, and therefore a lion's share of the seats should go to them. But our demands have also been modest and reasonable. And we have demanded for seats only in those constituencies where we have influence and where our candidates have worked on the ground for the last 2 years, 3 years. It's a fact that over and above the understanding on seat sharing, our alliance with the Congress is based on very clear verbal commitments which have been made by their leaders in consultation with our leaders at joint meetings. And that have included certain criteria regarding selection of candidates to contest the upcoming elections. They have agreed verbally that candidates to whom they will be giving tickets will meet certain criteria. We expect the Congress to stand by these commitments, which have also included that there will be no interference from national and party leaders outside the state of Goa, and that local sentiments and local aspirations will be given top priority. For example, issues like Madai will be settled in the interest of Goa. We will not allow Madai to be sold like it has been done in the past. Now, whatever the changing circumstances, what is required in an alliance is common programs, mutual respect, and fidelity to our commitments to each other. Whatever commitments have been made by us and by the Congress party, we should stay true to them. We should abide by them. Because we believe that both the Congress party and the Goa Forward Party have to be together to defeat the BJP comprehensively. Our party workers, our candidates are proud of the work they are doing in their constituencies and will continue to fight the BJP and solely focus on making sure that this seventh government does not come back to power. That is our singular job at hand, to defeat the BJP. Now the Congress has backtracked on one commitment. As I have said, on the Santandre and Kanpon seats, they have backtracked on their commitments. But we do not wish to react immediately, because we have the interests of Goa uppermost in our mind. We will wait and watch. We expect the Congress to take steps, but we will watch whatever steps they take, and we will react and take appropriate steps if needed as the days go by. Any questions? Yes. They have already announced Fatorda and Mahe for us. We have also expecting Mandre to be given to us. And Santandre and Kanpon, as I said, were also in our list that we had demanded.
Congress has already announced this.
Yes, that is exactly why this press briefing is held. Because we are disappointed. We expect them to take steps. We have expressed our disappointment. We hope they will react to this press briefing, take steps. We will wait and watch. Because we want basically the BJP to be defeated. We are ready to sacrifice, to do whatever is needed to defeat the BJP. But we expect this from the Congress also. It is not going to be a one-way thing. We expect this to the Congress also to behave the same way.
Congress stand firm on their stand for Santandre, then what will be your future course of action?
Let that happen. See, as I said, I don't want to react. We have expressed our disappointment. And that is all that we want to do right now.
But the list is already out.
Yes, today the list is out. That is why this press briefing is held.
You are expecting that the candidates will be...
We are not expecting anything. The only thing we are expecting is that BJP will be defeated. That is the only thing we are expecting.
You are ready to sacrifice Sanandre?
We have not said anything. Because today the list has been declared, we'll wait. We have expressed something. It's always a two-way this thing. So, anything else?
My budget is also.
ना मागीर चितले
तुमचे माहिती उलप झाले काँग्रेस प्रमाणे
हा
लिस्ट कितें उलोवप जाता
ना उलोवप जावना पूण आमी हें रिएक्शन पळय दिलें न्ही ताचेर वी एक्सपेक्ट समथींग टू हॅपन
आज जी मीटिंग असो जाली पळय तुमची
हय.
कितें जालें डिस्कशन कितें जालें
ना हाजेरच डिस्कशन जालें की बाबा जें जालां आमकां कमिटमेंट दिल्लें आमकां कळनासतना एक लिस्ट भायर आयलें सो वी हॅव जस्ट एक्सप्रेस आर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट बट वी आर सी आमचे एज वी ऑलवेज सेड वी हॅव द बिगर पिक्चर इन मायंड अँड वी एक्सपेक्ट एव्हरीबडी एल्स आमी जाणा की सगळे गोंयकार आमी चिंततात तशेंच चिंततात सो गोंयकार कितें चिंततात ते प्रत्येक पॉलिटिकल पार्टीन लक्षांत घेवपाक जाय आनी तशें ते भशेन वागपाक जाय हें आमी एक्सपेक्ट करतात
तर तुम्ही रावता की ते जे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून त्यांनी डिक्लेअर केला लिस्टीत तुम्ही मारले ते फाटी घेतले आणि तुमचं
पळोवया मरे हांव काय बोलले ना
ते तुम्ही मानतात
आम्ही ऑलरेडी सांगला की आम्ही खुश ना
दिलीप तुम्ही म्हणतात नेक्स्ट टाइम झाला काँग्रेसी कडल्यान
वी आर डिसअपॉइंटेड वी विल सी वी डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू टेक स्टेप्स that jeopardize the future of Goa. Because it is very sure that if we do not defeat the BJP, nobody else is capable of doing that. We are strong enough to do it, and whoever is partnering us with that, we will stand with them. But certain things have to be done by the other partners also.
तुमचे डिस्कशन झालं तुम्ही किती सीट मारलेल्या
5 मागितले त्यातले 2 त्यांना ऑलरेडी अनाउन्स केले मांद्रे एक आसा जे आमी ऑलरेडी आमचे डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेन बी सुरू जाला आमच्या कॅन्डिडेटाचो आणि हे 2 आशिल्ले
तुम्ही कितले टाइम रावतले कारण आता 2 दिवसांना झाले तुम्ही रेडी जातले स्टार्ट जातले
तसो वी एक्सपेक्ट द काँग्रेस टू गेट बॅक टू अस
शिवोले सोडले तुम्ही
हा
शिवोले सोडले
शिवल्या मावकून आशिल्ली
तुमचं सिटिंग एमएलए असतं
हा
नाका
हा
पेटना तो
ना ना तशें काय ना आमची एक स्ट्रॅटेजी आसा आमची पॉलिटिकल अफेअर्स कमिटीज मेळून एक स्ट्रॅटेजी केल्या आमी काँग्रेसी कडेन इन कन्सल्टेशन विथ द काँग्रेस ती स्ट्रॅटेजी मुखार व्हरतात आनी त्या सगळ्या टॉकांतल्यान आमी जे 5 मागपाचे आशिल्ले ते 5 मागिल्ले
ते जागा वाटपाचे उलोवप कोणा कडेन जाल्ले
काँग्रेसीचे जे लिडर आशिल्ले जे तांगे डेस्क इन्चार्ज आसा तांगेलो प्रेसिडेंट आसा GPCC प्रेसिडेंट आणि बाकी लिडर्स सांगले लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट देर वर न्यूमरस मिटिंग्स दिस इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस दिस इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ ॲक्च्युअल अलायन्स नॉट जस्ट हाचे खातीर इलेक्शना पुरतीच दिस इज एन ॲक्च्युअल अलायन्स दॅट वी होप विल डिसायड द फ्युचर ऑफ गोवा